Guy who hates tomatoes, but loves front-end development. In today's broadcast, we will have a look at the cool website from awards.com. We will deconstruct one of a cool portfolio of a Frenchman, American Frenchman. And but before we do that, I want to make sure that you can hear me and you can see me. So let me know in the comments if you can hear me, and then we'll start deconstructing the website. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Let me know in the comments if you can see me, because if you can hear me. I know you can see me because I can see myself, but I'm not sure if you can hear me. I had some issues in the previous attempt to come live, so let me know in the comments. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. Once I have confirmation that you can hear me, we can continue. I just want to make sure that everyone can hear me properly because I had some glitch before. Okay, perfect. Hank, thank you very much. Thanks for the confirmation and welcome to the broadcast. If you don't know me, I'm Peter. I'm the guy behind the I Hate Tomatoes YouTube channel and I Hate Tomatoes blog, where I write all the front end goodness. Okay. Good midnight. Hello, hello, Narsatullah. Welcome to the broadcast. And also, let me know, guys, where you tuning in from, and if this is a first broadcast that you coming on. Okay, I've already done 4 or 5. We looked at few cool websites previously. We looked at the Apple AirPods website, the scrolling website. So definitely, if you are new here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and go and watch some of the other deconstructions as well. Greetings, yeah, confirmation about the sound. That's perfect. Working perfectly. Fantastic, Carl. Thanks for the confirmation. Loud and clear. Thank you very much. Perfect. As I said, I came on live 5 minutes ago, and for some reason the sound wasn't coming through. And I pressed few buttons. I could see the volume up and down, and it didn't work. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Brilliant morning in Melbourne. We have 8:15 or 8:20 now. I'm 10 minutes late, but it looks like a beautiful day. And what a perfect day it could be if we look at some cool award-winning website and deconstruct it. Okay, so I'll switch to my or pronunciation tip, how to pronounce this name, because I don't speak French. And when I saw it, and then I thought I need some French advice how to pronounce it, and I think I got it pretty good. Gillaizeau. Okay, so if there is any Frenchmen's listening, can you tell me, did I pronounce it correctly? Olivier Gillaizeau. Okay, and if Olivier is watching, even better. Lost the sound? No way! Oh no! Why is there no sound? Why is it chopping off? Is it back on? I think this must be some glitch on YouTube. Oh, did it when I switched the screen? Give me a sec. Okay, now when I'm back on this screen, it's all good. Okay, sorry guys, my bad, my bad. I'm amateur live streamer. Okay, I'm professional. I'm I'm professional front end developer, but very amateurish live streamer. Okay, so bear with me. So now you should definitely hear me. Just confirming, when I'm on the browser, you can also hear me. Okay, just type in 1 or thumbs up if you can. Okay, before we confirm that you can hear me, I'm just gonna say a couple greetings to people. Hello to Timers. Hello to Carl Chambers. We've got Hank in the house. So sorry about that. As I said, I'm a front end developer and not the live streamer. So now I'm switching back to the screen and you should still be able to hear me. Okay. So as I said, when I'm in the morning feeling unproductive or want a little bit more inspiration, I jump on awards.com and browse some of these cool websites. And one of the websites that caught my attention was this Olivier Gillaizeau. Okay, Gillaizeau. And I'm not a French speaking, I don't speak French. So I asked one of my friends for pronunciation of this surname. So Olivier Gillaizeau, if I said it correctly, let me know in the comments, is a American French designer, creative leader from San Francisco, and his website is pretty special. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Cool preloader, and here it is. Okay, so cool looking, clean looking, but what I like the most is the, I'll open it again, is the introduction, is the way it comes in. It's not just bang, it's done. So you've got the cool preloader and then it just fades in with an impact. Okay, the background comes in and also the navigation comes in as well. So very cool effect, very simple. And when you hover over, you'll see how the background is moving. So there is some 3JS scene happening in the background where you have the gradients touching each other and it creates this 3D space. So that's done using 3JS. But one of the other effects that I wanted to have a look at is when you click on the main menu, the title moves up to a spot where the heading of the next page is, and then the content is revealed. Okay, so that's pretty special. And I was very curious to see how this was done. Okay, so if you scroll down, click on a Google, it moves up, stays in place, and then the content is revealed. So very cool transition. Let me know if that's something you want me to look at, and we'll do it shortly. I just wanted to say hello to a few other people that joined a little bit later. Thanks for confirming. Thanks for confirming the sound happening. Really, my bad, my bad. Thanks, Matthew. Greetings. Let me know where are you tuning in from, guys. You've got Leah in the house. Hello, Ozotello. Let me know where are you guys tuning in from, and then we'll jump back to the website and we'll have a look how that menu was positioned up and down. Okay. Apologies for the hiccup with the sound. Really should have been prepared a little bit more, especially when we have these special guests like you. You are special today because you're on my broadcast. But what I'm suspecting, every time I ask you a question, there is a little delay between I see questions or answers coming in. So I think there is some delay with the internet currently. Okay, that's why it's a little bit delayed. Greetings to UK. You must have Lee must have a late night. Greetings to India. And last time when we were online, we had actually a few South Americans as well. Greetings to Netherlands, Hank. Great to see you. I think I've seen you on a few of the other broadcasts as well, so you're quite regular. That's great. Greetings to Pakistan, Salman. Good to see you here as well. If any one of you is new here, I'm Peter. I'm the guy behind the I Hate Tomatoes blog. Just wanted to make sure I introduce myself before we start talking. I'm a front-end developer, and on my YouTube channel and blog, I write tutorials about JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and anything to do with front-end. Okay, recently I recorded a lot of Git tutorials. So if you are new to Git or you want to refresh, check out the Git tutorials playlist on my YouTube channel. Greetings to Argentina. Ozotello, Nicolas from Colombia. I knew South America's in the house. I knew South America's not sleeping. Hello, Isabel, Argentina. Greetings to Argentina. Taimur from Libya, good to see you on the broadcast. And Chambers is, of course, from Melbourne. Okay. Anyway, let's go back to the deconstruction. Let's go back to it. I'll make sure you can still hear me when I'm on this screen. So the main thing I wanted to look at is really the position of these. But before we do that, let's have a look how the image next to it is revealed. As you can see, there's a video, but it comes in a way, it's revealed from the top. Okay, so if I inspect it, you'll see that there are two containers. One covers the image. So let's have a look at the Airbnb. Okay, two containers. So if I look at the top one, you see how it's positioned offset top and rotated as well. So that is the mask for the video container. The video container sits inside of it and is rotated the opposite way. Okay, so this one, as you can see, it's minus 20% up and also rotated minus 5 degrees. And the video inside of it, to be positioned in the same spot as initially you want, you need to counter rotate it. Okay, so this position is the opposite of position of this. So the translate is minus 120%, which takes it where it is and moves it up, and also the minus 5 degrees rotates it slightly, and the video inside of it has the opposite values to making sure it is showing in the right spot. Okay, and then on a hover, when you're hovering over, the top div moves, the video moves as well, but because it moves in the opposite direction, it stays in place. Okay, so it's very cool effect, very simple effect. It is no masking, it's just two divs nested inside of each other are animating at the same time. Okay, cool effect. Hello, hello. I've got a few more people I need to say hello to because I value their time. Julian from Argentina, good to see you. Gemeli, hello. Yes, it's been a long time since you came on this broadcast. Well done. And who else? We have Mohammed from Algeria, North Africa. Great to see you. Good to see people coming on from different part of the world. Fantastic. Okay, so now let's get to the main meat of this video, of this deconstruction, and that is the movement of the title to where the page is. Okay, and I've seen some likes smashing the people smashing the like button. That's fantastic. Thank you for that. If it was you, don't forget to smash it so we attract more people next time. Okay, so let's have a look how the title is moved in place. Here is the title, and when we click on it, there is a main container. I'll just give me a sec. I'll have a look at it. Page wrapper section. Okay, so let me have a look at it because I need to find. There is a main container, and this is it. This global work container is translated minus 340 pixels up. Okay, so that is what moves the title up or down. Okay, so when it's finished, when you are in the normal state, the translate is set to 0. But as soon as you click on any of these links, the whole menu moves up by whatever the count of these labels is and their total height. Okay, so let's say if I'm only on Airbnb, the first title, it will not move anywhere, only slightly down, but the other one, it was only 20 pixels, but the other ones move up slightly as well. So I think what's happening, it takes their top offset of the page and moves the whole menu up. Okay, that way the title will stay where it needs to stay on the next page. Okay, so very cool effect, and I'm actually trying to recreate it with React and GreenSock as well. But it's cool that the whole menu, this global work container, the translate menu, the translate offset is set to wherever you click. So if I click on this Google, the force label, you'll see the X value, or sorry, the Y value being moved up. Okay, so and that's where it's animating to. It's a little bit delayed. So this one is 520 pixels moved up because I clicked on the fourth label. And that's how the whole thing is moving. Okay, so the menu moves up and then it reveals the content inside of it. Okay, pretty cool, pretty special. I really think this is one of the things that if you get it right, it's very impactful because not many sites are doing. Not many sites have a good page transitions or menu sliding into place and then revealing the content of the rest of the page. Okay, so very, very cool. Let me know what you think. Pretty cool effect, right? Any questions regarding this site, let me know as well. And greetings to Colombia, Emily. Good to see you. If you are new here, just make sure you guys know me. I'm Peter. I'm the guy behind the I Hate Tomatoes blog. Oops. And that's where I write tutorials about front-end development, anything about productivity and CSS, HTML, you name it. I'm a front-end developer just like you. Okay. Suggestion, let me read some of your questions. Video, image, into Node. Don't have much experience with Cloudinary, sorry. Question from Julian. So is using a page transition, Ajax call, and trigger action. I don't think it's using any Ajax because at the bottom of the page, if I go back there, good question, Julian, thank you, great question. If I go back to the page, I think there was a JSON file somewhere at the bottom of the file of the page that contains all the content. Okay, so it's not pulling much from anywhere else. There is a JSON object with all the content for the site. Okay, so that's where everything is rendered from. And I don't think it fetches anything. If I go to network and we clear this, if I go to Spotify for brands, I don't think there was any request. Oh, there is a request. You're right. Yeah, there was a request to fetch the data. Okay, so there was a request to get more data of the page. So yes, it is, but the initial content is also on the page. Okay, let me go back. So initial page load, it's probably working with some backend headless CMS. So you call API to get content. You don't really serve it as a server side. So that's where the initial content is. And then yes, you're right. There was some Ajax call to bring the rest of it. Okay, so pretty cool. Next level JS. Yes, some of these websites are pretty cool. Matthew, yes, that's next level. But yeah, step by step, I'm sure you can get there too. Okay, Julian, yes, there was affirmation. No worries. Just wanted to make sure we are across. Webpack, it might use Webpack, or it might use probably Webpack parcel, whatever it is that lets you bundle JavaScript all together and do that magic that Webpack used to do. And I think now a lot of people using Create React App because it helps you to get it up and running much faster than setting up Webpack. That's what I found. Webpack is good if you need something small, something quick, but I think it's quicker to just run Create React App and get it done that way. Okay. Any other questions, guys, before I wrap it up here? I've been on for 20 minutes and I had some stuff up at the start, so I don't want to delay it anymore. Thanks for all the likes. I really appreciate it. We hit 15. If we hit 30, I'll do another deconstruction next week. I'll have a look at some cool websites. So let me know. Let me know if there is a website you would like to see deconstructed next week. And that will be it for today. It was quick, it was sharp, because as I said, I had some hiccups at the start. My day is starting, by the way. I've got 8:30, 8:45 in the morning, and I like to come on board, come online first thing in the morning, get it done, and then focus on the day. Today, I'm actually re-recording all my GreenSock tutorials. Okay, so not all of them, but the GreenSock 101, the starter pack, just to make sure that new people that are learning GreenSock are learning the new API. Okay, so I'm refreshing that today, and that's the plan. That's the plan for me to get it done over the weekend, and then I will start with React 101. Okay. Okay, there's few questions coming in. Sorry, I didn't miss I missed some of the comments, so I can't jump straight on. I think you talking to each other. Julian, but it doesn't render different elements and doesn't change the complete view. Right. Yes, you're right. So, question from Julian. Let's have a look at it again. So the route definitely changes. So the URL changes if I go Airbnb. The route changes. So that's cool. But the title you click on is the one that moves up. So it has H2. You see this H2, the US campaign to demonstrate whatever. If I click on this, that H2 will still stay on the page. So it's not that it takes the menu, moves it up, and then shows a different content. It moves this and reveals this H2. Okay, so let's see this, and I'll just type in here something else. If I can just change the content to our own content. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Will this be revealed or something else? Okay, I click on the Airbnb us, and we have our own content. So the menu itself contains also some of the content for the subheading. Okay, so that's how it is. Some of the content is hidden even here, even though here you just see the menu. There is some content already rendered on the page but hidden. Okay, so you can set opacity 0, and you can sort of preload some of these content and reveal it as you go to the next route. Okay, yeah, that was a good question. That was a good question. I think was from Julian. Oops, no way. Sorry. Sorry, I stuffed up. So I have to go back to it. Wow. Today is not my day, is it? Anyway, here is the Airbnb. So I'll do it again. And this is what I did. So this is the title I'm going to be clicking on, and under is this H2. Okay, sorry. I'll just refresh the page so you see what the original content for that Airbnb us was. You see this US campaign to demonstrate Airbnb. Okay, so I'm hovering over Airbnb, which is this href, and then H2 has some content with it. Okay, if I click on Airbnb, that same content will be revealed underneath. Okay, so some of the content is pre-rendered on the page. So I did change this to our own content. And when I hit Airbnb, that will be revealed. Okay, so that's how you know that some of the content is already on the page, and then it moves up and reveals it. Okay, I really apologize. Today is not not the best broadcast. I know I always try to make it smooth and without any delays, without any hiccups, but today not my day. Today not my day. Hopefully the recording of the GreenSock tutorials will go a little bit better. Okay, so that's yeah. Hopefully you will have much better day than start of the day than me. Sorry, Matthew. Yes, I know. That's what happens on live streams. Okay, everyone makes mistakes, and as I said, I try to get prepared as much as I can, but I would rather code than live stream, to be honest. But yeah, I like to hang around like this with you guys. Okay, we've got Amit. We've got Amin in the house. Last round of questions. If you have any questions, bombard me. Just fix it in the post. I would need to be editing so much this video that no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. That's what live streams is about. And I make a mistake. I make a mistake. You know, you were here when it happened. And yeah, I'm not planning to edit edit this. I think it's part of the live broadcasting. So definitely no broadcasting for me. You know, sorry, no editing of live broadcast. I think it loses the effect. If I wanted to record perfect video, I would go sit down and record it without the interaction, or I go to live stream and I interact. And if there are mistakes, there are mistakes. So we are people, you know, we're not perfect. So perfect. Thank you very much, Julian. Really appreciate. No problem. Quality content. Thank you very much. Really appreciate. Hey, if you're really enjoying it, you know that smashing the like button is one way, but also helping to spread the word about the I Hate Tomatoes blog as well and the YouTube channel as well. So feel free to share it. Thanks, mate. Thanks, Matthew. Really appreciate it. The guy who hates tomatoes, of course, Jamali. That's me. You know me. You know me. Alrighty, guys. I'll be wrapping it up here. Have an awesome day. Have a great day. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you are. And I will catch you in my future videos. See you later. Bye.